weakness, and weakness is the beginning of defeat. This second approach carries a different meaning. The bear is no longer merely testing the tiger, it is pressing a claim. So the tiger attacks. Not yet, not here, not while I still stand. Now both fight with fierce determination, each one driven by the same harsh truth. To give ground here is to give up the meal. The tiger fights with fierce urgency, striking as if every second lost brings defeat closer. Now the balance begins to shift. The tiger is trying to reclaim what all this violence was meant to protect. Before the tiger can settle, the bear strikes first.